if statement. In this session we're going to talk about the if statement. What is if statement? And we will do lots of examples. If statement is actually a one-way decision. It is a decision-making statement, but a one-way decision. We take a decision with the help of the if statement. So in other words, we can say that it is a decision-making statement. But what is conditional statement? Why we use conditional statement? Conditional statements are very important in decision making based on certain conditions. Now look at here, conditional statements are very important. It plays a tremendous role in decision making based on certain conditions. We give a condition and we make a decision. According to that condition, the decision happens, the decision takes place. That's why we call it conditional statement. It is a conditional statement which is used in making decision. We have one-way decision, we have two-way decision, we have multi-way decision. But let me first talk about the one-way decision. What is one-way decision? One-way decision is if statement. In a statement where we use only if, this is called one-way decision. This if statement where we use only if statement is what we call the one-way decision. One-way decision conditional statement. As I told you, that a statement having only if is a one-way decision according to the given condition. Since we have only if in a statement, that's why we call it one-way decision. It depends on the given condition, but it determines only one-way decision. There is no choice in a one-way decision. It goes only in a single way. That's why we call it one-way decision statement. If statement is called one-way decision statement. Look at here, if statement is based on single condition. For example, if it is hot, then the day is hot today. We use if statement only once here. As I told you that if statement is based on single condition. If we have only if statement, it is based on a single condition. So there is only a single condition. Which single condition? This one. It is a condition that if it is hot, the day is hot today. So there is no other choice, there is no other option. We have only a single statement with the only if statement. It is a single condition. So an if statement has only a single condition, this one. If it is hot, the day is hot. Or maybe if it is cold, the day is cold today. But make sure the condition will be only one. There is no other condition. That's why we call it one-way decision, which means that there is no other option. You have to take decision only in a single way. That's why we call it one-way decision statement. If statement is called the one-way decision statement.